In previous video, first lesson of HTML, we learned first is what is HTML, second is why HTML called markup language, third is why we use HTML, fourth is syntax of HTML, and fifth design a simple web page using HTML. In this video, we are going to learn comment in HTML, attributes in HTML, what is tag, heading tag, anchor tag, image tag, br tag, that is called break tag, bold tag, underline tag, italic tag. This is our second lesson of HTML. Hello friends, welcome to our channel 59 Code. My name is Sonu Sagar. Let's start. So first is comment in HTML. Comment, that only part of code. In English this is not so. We write comment for usually help programmers. This comment is not for execution. This is only write for helping purpose. Or when we use VS Code, then directly click Ctrl plus / then automatically comment of that line. First we apply these comments in code. So come on Notepad, search Notepad, and save this Notepad file. .html extension is very must, so save it, and here we write syntax of HTML. This is our simple syntax of HTML. Now here we add comment for heading tag. Save it. Now come on browser. Here comment not so, only h1 tag are so. Hi, my name is Sonu Sagar. Here h1 tag, same as it did print. This is my heading is not so because it write in comments. So next is attributes in HTML. HTML attributes. Attributes are used to add more information to the tag. Here we use HTML tag. In this tag we specify it. English language use in this HTML file. So HTML attributes is used for add more information within tag. So apply it on code. Here we can add some attributes. Style is equal to, within double quote write color column red semicolon. Save it and go on that browser, refresh it. Here our color is changed. Attributes is used for information of tag. So here h1 normally black, using a style change in red color. So our next topic, what is tag? Basically tag is defined as the pre-reserved keywords that is used in HTML language, like head. This is already defined in HTML language, that head is a special purpose. HTML h1, this is the tag, this is already defined. So next topic is heading tag. So here we can see heading tag used to display heading in HTML. If we want to display heading on web page, so we use heading tag. Basically heading tags are 6, h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. A6 is the smallest heading tag. H1 is the most biggest heading tag. So apply this on code. Clear it. So we use H1 to H6 tags. Now save it and go to browser, refresh it. We can see this is our H1 tag, this is H2 tag, H3, H4, H5, H6. H6 is the smallest tag and H1 is the biggest tag. Next topic is anchor tag. Here anchor tag. Anchor tag is used to add a link to your page. Anchor tag is basically used for link any text, image. This is the syntax of anchor tag. Here firstly we write open angular bracket a href within double quote, put that link. When we click on Google, then this redirect on this link. Here we can put text or image, so click on it, this redirect on this link. So apply in code. Anchor tag href is equal to double quote https Now save this file, go to browser, refresh it. Here a simple text, so when we click on it, then we redirect of this Google page. So next topic is image tag. Next topic is image tag. Image tag used for add images to your web page. When we want to add an image on web page, then use this syntax of image tag. Firstly open angular bracket, then img src is equal to, here put link of that image where this is situated. After it we use alt is equal to, here put that text. When this image cannot find this source, then this redirect of this text, apply it on code. Here write img src in this file. Here no any image, so when save it and run on browser, then here show a simple text because image is not found. When we put image on this folder with name, logo and extension jpg file, logo.jpg, save it and go on website, refresh it. Here our image show, our text is not show because the image is show. So this is image tag. Our next is br tag. So comes on notes, here you can see br tag. Basically br tag used for to add next line break to your break tag. When we use break tag, then skip one line and we go on next line. Here write a simple paragraph tag, save it and refresh here on web browser. Here so simple, my name is Sonu Sagar. This is in one line, simple. When we break on it with here hi my, if the name is Sonu Sagar, we want to this line is break comes in down. So after my we use break br and save it, refresh. So here this line is break and I start from next line. Here bold tag, here bold, italic and underline tag. This is used for highlight text in your page. We use this bold start from B, italic start from I and underline start from U. So apply in this code. I want to a high is comes in bold, so here apply B, and after it close it B. My comes in italic. Now here Sonu Sagar want to comes in underline. Now save it. So high comes in bolds, my come in italic, and Sonu Sagar come in underline. So our bold tag, underline tag, and italic tag complete. We covered 10 topics in this video. We learn more topics upcoming video. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe it, click on all notifications. So thanks for watching this video.